Good morning from Wilderness Pro Lodge up here in Alaska. Well, it's mid-June and the weather's really nice. It's been a real dry spring, no rain and to speak of, and the water is coming up quite slowly, but fishing has been good and we've actually seen quite a little wildlife this year. And here's a couple clips of some of the bears we've seen actually from the deck here, and then a couple clips of some wildlife that our guests have been able to see. And so sometimes it's the luck of the draw. If you're there those few minutes when the bears are moving, and otherwise they're in the brush, they're here, but you don't get the chance to see them all the time. So hope you enjoy this little clip here, and we're looking forward to a great summer here. Thank you. Pulled that big feather in there and it's sticking out. Pretty cool. The other one's inside. There he is. They tried getting in crossways with that feather and couldn't to begin with.
They had stuck with her through a winter already.
Oh yeah, no, these are babies. These just are born here in March, my guess. I'm on 24 magnification, so I'm getting some good video.
She's looking at it.
You know, their eyesight, she can't really see here.
Yeah, and the wind's not in her favor. She has no. Hit the jackpot, buddy.
Wow, he's so big.
That's a good size bear. Quite a bit
Wow, that's cool. Yeah, they really are.
Our guests don't get that all. Sow and two cubs right across the bay here.